Guys, let's see another answer key from the book Snowdrops for class 7th. This is number 18, chapter number 18, Prithviraj Chauhan. Chapter questions, page 134. Number 1, the success that Muhammad Ghori is talking about is him being the ruler of Delhi as well as him having full control over Delhi's riches. Number 2, Muhammad Ghori will humiliate Prithviraj Chauhan and treat him with disrespect. Page 135. Muhammad Ghori will refuse to listen to Chanbardai. He would capture him too. Page 136. Number 1. Chanbardai is a well-versed poet. He will use his skill as a poet to recite a couplet which would inform the blind Prithviraj Chauhan where Muhammad Ghori is seated. Then Prithviraj will shoot Ghori and avenge his defeat. Number 2. Prithviraj will shoot Muhammad Ghori and avenge his humiliation. Time for discussion. A discussion will be conducted in class based on the following points: help you remain calm, help you take quick and sensible decisions, make you physically and mentally strong. Exercise answer orally. Muhammad Ghori stated that he did not trust Jaichand because Jaichand had betrayed him as well, and whoever betrayed his own country could betray him as well, and therefore cannot be trusted. Multiple choice questions. Part A. Take the correct options. Number 1. Part B. Forgiving Muhammad Ghori. Number 2. Part C. Both A and B. Part B. Read the given extract to attempt the questions that follow. Number 1. Answer Part D. Disloyalty of fellow countrymen. Number 2. Answer is Part A. Wanted all the riches of Delhi. Read and answer. Number 1. Jaichand befriended Muhammad Ghori because he wanted to avenge Prithviraj for humiliating him. Number 2. Part A. Muhammad Ghori offered Prithviraj to become his vassal and become free from being captive. Part B. Prithviraj opposed the offer and said that he would rather embrace death as he was a Rajput who was known for their boldness and bravery. Number 3. Chanbardai was Prithviraj Chauhan's court poet, friend and well-wisher. When he heard about Prithviraj's imprisonment, he decided to visit him to try to save his life. When he heard that Ghori was organizing an archery contest, he devised a clever plan to execute him. Chanbardai told Prithviraj that at the contest he would help him in locating Muhammad Ghori's position. By reciting a couplet, Prithviraj would shoot his arrow exactly in the same direction. After entering the venue, Chanbardai chanted a couplet while Prithviraj stood ready with his bow and arrow. The lines were Char Bas, Chaubis Gaz, अंगुल अष्ट प्रमन ता ऊपर सुल्तान है मत चूके चौहान, which meant that the Sultan was sitting at a distance of 4 bamboo poles 24 yards and the width of 8 fingers precisely, and that Prithviraj must not miss his target. And then Gauri commanded him to mark his aim, which made it easier for Prithviraj to shoot Gauri right through his heart. In the end, Prithviraj succeeded in his plan by vanquishing Muhammad Gauri. Think and answer. Number 1. By this statement, Prithviraj means that betrayal by a fellow countryman hurts the most and cannot be pardoned. Where Gauri's betrayal is understandable because he is an outsider, Jaichand's betrayal has to be avenged because he has not just betrayed Prithviraj but also his country. Number 2. Chanbardai was Prithviraj's well-wisher as he had always supported him and had been by his side in tough times. He warned Prithviraj when he pardoned Muhammad Ghori as he could sense that Muhammad Ghori could not be trusted. Later, when Prithviraj stood as a captive in front of Muhammad Ghori, Chanbardai could not see him standing helpless and had rebuked Muhammad Ghori. He also helped Prithviraj in devising a plan to kill Muhammad Ghori at the archery contest. Chanbardai had always proved to be loyal to his king. Number 3. Yes, I agree with this statement. Jaichand had formed an alliance with an outsider to defeat Prithviraj. Hence, he was a traitor and should not be trusted. He allied with Gauri and helped in defeating Prithviraj. He helped a foreign invader defeat an Indian king. He became a symbol of trickery in Indian folklore. Similarly, a person who betrays his people never gets respect and fails to gain trust of the people. Number 4. Character sketch. Prithviraj Chauhan was an extremely courageous, fearless, and an undaunted warrior. He was a king of the Chauhan dynasty, and his then kingdom included Rajasthan, Delhi, among others. He led the first battle of Tarain when Muhammad Ghori attacked. He fearlessly fought against Ghori and defeated him. After many defeats, Ghori treacherously defeated Prithviraj. He was a generous king who always thought well of his people and his kingdom. He aced military skills and had exceptional archery prowess. Reference to context. Part A. Muhammad Ghori spoke these words. Part B. This event refers to the archery contest organized by Ghori, in which requested Muhammad Ghori to give Prithviraj a chance. Muhammad Ghori was excited to see the event because he thought it was impossible for Prithviraj to shoot a target as he was blind. Exit card. Student to perform the activity under the guidance of the teacher. Exit card is student to perform the activity under the guidance of the teacher. The hints given in the question may be used. Word quiz. Part C. Noun. Listen. Number 1. Papaya is beneficial for the heart. Number 2. It helps to alleviate insanity. Number 3. It is beneficial to the liver. Number 4. It is a good medicine for constipation and urinary disorders. Number 5. The Ayurveda experts believe that papaya is a remedy for abdominal disorders. Talk. Student will use the given hints to prepare their arguments. Language lab. Number 1. Pupil A. I think we should spend the summer holidays at Mussoorie. Pupil B. I would prefer going to Kerala to witness the onset of the monsoon there. It would be an enjoyable experience to observe the scenic beauty of that place. Number 2. Pupil A. Let us go out for a movie. Pupil B. I would like to go and enjoy a music concert. It would be a great musical show as popular artists from all over the country are going to perform there. Number 3. Pupil A. I think we should buy a villa. Pupil B. I would rather purchase a flat instead of a villa. Since we are a family of 4 members, we do not require a villa. Number 4. Pupil A. I think we should order either South Indian or Chinese food for the party. Pupil B. I would prefer to order Chinese food. The children will also like it and we can have a good menu for all, including the adults and the children. Number 5. Pupil A. I think we should travel by a car. Pupil B. I think if we travel by metro, we can reach our desired destination very quickly without any delay that may happen due to a traffic jam. Grammar. Question tags. Number 1. Virat Kohli is a great cricketer, isn't he? Number 2. Ancient history is very interesting to read, isn't it? Number 3. Shakti and his mother are never late, are they? Number 4. The mangoes are not sweet, are they? Number 5. You were in my previous office, weren't you? Number 6. We should not disrespect our elders, should we? Word wise. Part A. Number 1. Perfectly. Number 2. Swimming. Number 3. Flapping. Number 4. Uttered. Part B. Across. Number 1. Advice. Number 2. Smash. Number 3. Confused. Number 4. No. Number 6. Register. Down. Number 1. Administer. Number 3. Con. Number 5. Opt. Dictionary. Number 1. Upstairs. Radhika carried her dresses upstairs. Number 2. Uproot. They decided to uproot and head for America. Number 3. Uplift. Aronima's story gave me an uplift. Number 4. Update. I called my team members to update them about our new project. Number 5. Uphold. She has been given the duty to uphold discipline in the class. Number 6. Upload. He did not upload the data on my computer. Punctuate. Number 1. Sona said, Salma, don't you think Reena is very arrogant? Number 2. Mother said, Rita, give me a glass of water. Number 3. I will do it, Meena said to Arunima. Right. Student can frame an answer based on their own understanding. Following hints may be used. One of the major and oldest cities in Rajasthan lies in a hilly region of the Aravalli range, pilgrimage center for both Hindus and Muslims. Okay guys, that's all. Thanks for watching. Keep watching Shabs English tutorials. Take care. Goodbye.